Wait, I'm still packing. Can somebody tell me where there isn't Sephora in Norway? Hey guys, and welcome to a haul. So, did you know that we don't have Sephora in Norway?
Nah.
Why?
Oh, why?
It's so annoying. Do you want to know what my solution is? Because we don't have Sephora in Norway. Every time a friend goes out of Norway, guess what I do? I get them to buy for me. So my friend just went to Paris, and guess what she did for me? She
bought Sephora for you!
Yay! So I had a really big wish list, but I'm kind of stingy, so got a few things. There's one thing though that me and my mom especially really wanted, but couldn't find. So another friend is going to Berlin with her class in like a couple weeks, so I'm gonna ask her to go check for it for me, and it's the one size setting spray. We need it, okay? We've been hearing reviews, and this is the first ever thing I got from Sephora. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. It was when we were in Italy. Go check our Italy vlogs, and it's this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream. Can you see it? Or don't? Wait. Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's the first thing ever, and it was really stupid of me because I didn't know you can buy this in Norway. But it's good. It's nice. It smells good.
There was a problem with that bottle, you remember?
The bottle leaks. And now it doesn't leak anymore because I cleaned the heck out of it. So yes. And since we're doing a haul, I also have like a couple things that I went out and bought yesterday, which I'm just gonna show you now. Which is some Garnier Micellar Water and this Garnier face wash that removes makeup for you. These two are a duo that can never fail. Okay.
Yeah.
So don't play with these girls. So the amount of money spent in the Sephora is wild, okay? It was, so for 2 items it was 50 euros, okay? 50, which is 560 krona. So Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. I'm gonna come close and personal for this. Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. This is just the small size. I wish I got the large.
Okay.
But we learned from our mistakes, okay? My other friend is going to Berlin, so I might just get her to buy the full size. Charlotte Tilbury is coming to Norway, but it's going to be way more expensive. So, yeah. Let's open it. Pretty, right?
Yeah, very nice. What is it? It's setting spray?
Setting spray.
Wow.
This is like, oh, it's glass. This is like the most popular setting spray there is right now. So pretty. It looks very royal, okay? So that's the first item. Next, dun dun dun, dun, Summer Fridays lip balm. These Summer Fridays lip balms are really popular, and I've wanted one. And this is the Vanilla Beige. Okay. Look at that.
Want to try it?
Let's try it.
Come closer. Where's your mirror?
This is actually the wrong one because I thought this was the vanilla, but I guess I told her the wrong one.
Okay. There's no color in it?
No, it has color, but the one I wanted was yellow, but I guess that wasn't vanilla. I guess that's like another flavor, or it's only in the US. But I'm so happy with it.
Alright, guys, if you know what she's talking about, can you comment below? What did you say?
That I wanted the beige one.
Yeah.
The yellow. White. Yes, very cute. There are so many Summer Fridays flavors, and the one I especially wanted was the birthday cake one because my friend had it and it smelled so good, but they didn't have it there. So, and then of course testers. My friend said there were 2, and she just decided to give me them. Only one. So the nice catch. So the Generio 62.
Wow, that is a big
It's
tester.
a big tester. This
Do they give that kind of tester in Norway?
No, never. This is 30, so this is like I can travel with this. It's like she read my mind because I was running out. Like I was running low. So yeah, no. Sephora's give really good testers from what I've heard. Maybe not the ones in the U.S., but the others I've heard they give very good testers. So this is making me just want to take a trip to Sweden and go to Sephora.
Oh, so they have Sephora in Sweden?
Yes. They don't have it anywhere.
In which city?
Oh, everywhere in Sweden.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Maybe one day we can go to Sweden just to go to
Just
Sephora.
take the train.
Oh, okay. Wow, that is the biggest
No, it's not the biggest.
tester I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, biggest tester. I thought you meant the biggest size.
Yeah.
Love it, flaunt it, you've got it.
Yeah.
So
Let's try it.
it's expensive, okay? 2 items. So expensive.
It's expensive for a teenager, yes.
Yes. That's why, I mean, we're not exactly a rich family, so I never really buy new makeup. I'm just, like the price of my concealer is like $100, like $10, $9, $8. It's cheap. But it works really well. It's the Maybelline eraser.
Try a Rihanna lip oil. What can you tell us about that lip oil?
I mean, this is a cream balm, so it's
Cream ball.
it's very pigmented. Should I do my whole lip?
You hardly wear red like that.
I never wear it.
Do you have a pimple patch thing?
I'm not wearing one now.
She almost never wear red.
I don't think.
But now you're looking better with red. You remember before?
Yeah,
There was something just wrong when you put red.
because I was young.
Yeah, I think it's getting better now. You see, there is time for everything.
It's like before when I was younger, I would always look up to my mom because she would always have red nails, red toes, red lips.
Yeah.
I was like, why can't I wear that?
Yeah.
Now I'm starting to feel it. I just don't think pink fits me, so pink doesn't fit me. But yes, love it. If this is $26, by the way, or euros, then this is expensive for the big.
It is very expensive.
So expensive.
One of the most expensive.
This is like designer
Yeah.
setting spray, just so you know.
Okay.
I want to test it, but I don't know. But
You could spray it a little bit.
okay, I'm just looking for my concealer, but every time, oh, I found it. Every time I'm going to I get stuff from Sephora, I'm going to share it with you guys, so you guys can see. Okay. And about like buying stuff, and I found this Angel Elixir Mugler perfume in my mom's room, and I've been using it these couple days. I'm like, I've used this much. It smells like heaven on earth. Okay, heaven. So I recommend that if you love vanilla.
What is the name again?
And Angel Elixir by Mugler. Yes, I just love it. I just love it. Okay, I'm not gonna use that much because this is just a demonstration.
And concealer is from Garnier.
Oh no, my Mama Garnier doesn't even sell concealer.
Oh, sorry, which mark that is in?
Maybelline.
Maybelline, sorry.
The eraser.
It's always Maybelline.
Yes. I've never used another concealer but this one. It's just perfect shade match.
And it's cheap.
It's cheap.
So if you're looking for a cheap concealer to buy for your data,
And the coverage is insane, by the way. But the shade range is really bad.
yeah.
The shade range is like horrible. Okay. Good. Alright. Let's test. I'm feeling not very generous with these sprays. I'm feeling like 1 spritz because 26 euros. Whew. That's enough to buy dinner.
Yeah.
That's enough to buy dinner.
It's very expensive. I hope you don't buy it again.
You know, I just want that one size because it's cheaper.
Yes.
And if the one size works good, my friend told me it made her face burn, but she has very sensitive skin.
It's true?
Yeah.
She bought it for herself?
Yeah. No, she bought it a long time ago.
Okay.
But she has very sensitive skin. Hun anbefalte meg this serum from Ordinary, and I bought it. a couple weeks ago. It was on sale.
Yeah.
It did not burn at all.
Okay.
It works really well on me. So from what I'm understanding, things that burn on her don't really burn on me.
Okay.
So I'm hoping
Yeah.
it doesn't burn. It might not burn on me. It might burn on me, but if it doesn't burn on you, then it's good. Because you want it, right? Okay, spray.
That bottle is so small.
Did you see how, it smells good.
It smells good?
This feels very hydrating. Usually I use the Urban Decay. I'm on my like third bottle of Urban Decay. I don't think I'm ever gonna switch from the Urban Decay, if I want to be honest.
Yeah.
Because it's cheaper and more trusty. It feels very hydrating. Oh my god, I'm so shiny! You see that? Ooh!
You think it's because of that?
Yes.
Okay.
The Urban Decay doesn't do this, but I don't really like a shiny look.
Okay.
I feel like shiny works on you. I like matte.
Yeah. Okay.
Because
Tell
I
us.
get oily. I don't really like shiny that much because I get really oily.
Okay.
And also by buying stuff, look what I got for my confirmation.
Yeah. It's very cute.
Show you up
Is it from? Is it from what is it? Monster?
Yeah. No, I have no idea where this is from. You'll just smell that or something.
Okay.
Snow of Sweden. Something. I have the box in my room. I'm gonna show you close.
You can look at it from your ear. It's so beautiful. Show us the other ear that you have it on. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Is it the girl or is the earring? I think it's the
both.
girl.
It's me.
It's the girl.
Thanks. And also my friend Anna, one who helped me buy these, she also got me this for my confirmation. It's a dolphin.
This is from Moinstein.
Moinstein, yeah.
Can you tell them a little bit about Moinstein?
Moinstein is a very nice like jewelry brand. This is also from Moinstein, the silver one.
It's Scandinavian, isn't it?
Yes, I think so.
Let's see those.
Mama, you want me to take you out and get us matching?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and then I got this N. Nina, it's just from Accessorize, which is a brand from England.
Yeah.
And then this Sagittarius thing. My mom just bought it because the brand was going bankrupt. She doesn't even know. Do you know what star signs are?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't even know. I didn't know what they were until you bought me this, just so you know.
Okay.
She just randomly bought it, and then I realized, oh, it's Sagittarius. I'm a Sagittarius.
I knew, Nina.
You knew?
Mine is a Pisces.
Oh my god, I didn't know.
See, you think your mother is from Africa and she's not smart.
You are from Africa.
But I'm smart.
The shade.
Okay,
Well,
stand up and pack your things, then stand up and do outfit.
just so you guys know, I just came from school and my mom saw the Sephora bag and she was like, okay, let's make the video.
Yeah, because if not so, she cannot wait 1 minute. A lot of times she wants to vlog something and I will tell her to wait, she will never wait.
Okay, so I just came from school, so I'm going to show you my outfit. That's my mom is telling me to show. And I think I look good today. It's just really hot. I'm just going to take these glasses.
You don't need to wear glasses in the house.
Okay, this is my outfit. Do I look weird? Hold on. Okay, this is my outfit of the day. Bag. Sorry, I'm sick. Gina Trucco.
Yeah, I bought it and then she sees it.
Yeah, she bought it and I banished it.
I didn't even wear it 1 minute.
No, she didn't even wear it once. Glasses. I have no idea. Some nice. Yeah, Jean Lafont, Paris. It's my mom's. This sweater is from Cubis.
Yeah.
Really cute. Trousers are from Nelly. I'm trying to get a new pair because I got a hole there.
Yeah.
These are actually really nice. Inside shoes, no idea where they're from. I got a t-shirt under from H&M.
Yeah.
Very like appropriate for school.
Yeah.
I can say that. Because the stuff.
You are very, very autumn-like now with all the browns. Don't you think? Brown colors.
No, thanks.
Okay.
Okay.
The guy is looking good.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. You better subscribe, okay? Because you won't you won't be seeing more of this if you don't subscribe, okay? Subscribe. So yes. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Wait, I'm still breaking this away.